2X. Just want to show you some new features that are coming up in a new firmware coming out for the RFKit 2KS amplifier. They're going to be releasing an API, or application programming interface, where people will be able to write software to remote control the amplifier. This is done using Node-RED running on a Raspberry Pi, talking to the amplifier across the network. So what you see here is what I've written in Node-RED to control the RF2KS. On top you have the operate standby, toggles the amplifier between operate and standby. Then you see bar graph meters for forward power, SWR, temperature, DC voltage, and DC current. Underneath that you have your antenna selection for the amplifier. In this case, on 80 meters, I have antenna 1 and antenna 2 enabled. Antenna 3 and antenna 4 are disabled. The disabled antennas will show up gray and not be selectable. And antenna 1 is active right now, so it's green. Antenna 2 is available but not active, so it's blue. If I tap antenna 2, it switches, or I could switch back to antenna 1. If I scroll down, it shows you your band and frequency that you're on. And if you need to change the mode for the connection of the amplifier, I'm using UDP being sent to the amp to control the frequency. You have a selection between universal, cat control, UDP, or the last one is TCI. So if I go back to UDP, it's going to go ahead and it'll flip the universal, and as soon as it sees the UDP frequency information, it will switch back and show you it's in UDP mode. So I'm going to go ahead and transmit here so you can see the metering on the amplifier. WO2X testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there you go. This is an upcoming firmware, should be out shortly. A little Christmas present from Reinhardt and Company. 7-3. Take care.